Hey guys, it's Adrian over BHA here, bringing you a new updated video. Now this is a video not like what I normally do. So of course this video will not have a lot to do with home automation necessarily. Obviously a lot of times whenever we're working with systems, virtual and physical systems, we need to resize partitions sometimes. So this is something that obviously can be used in all kinds of different scenarios. I did this one several years ago and thought it was time to do an updated version of it with a newer version of GParted. So basically we are going to be showing you how to resize a partition on a machine using GParted live CD or USB, however you want to get that set up. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a quick run through everything we're going to cover in this video. So of course, for starters, we're going to just download the latest GParted image. I'll show you where to get that. Once we do that, we'll create a bootable USB with that image. Once that's done, then we're going to go ahead and boot into GParted. Then I'll walk you through how to resize the partition. And then of course, lastly, we will just kind of confirm that that partition did get updated and show you what that looks like. Let's get started. Alright, so again, I'll have everything in the description below, but this is where we will go to get the latest GParted image. So you're going to go to gparted.org, and of course you'll click on the live CD USB link there at the top. Scroll down until you find the latest bootable image or release. You want to make sure that you click on the one that says stable directory /ISO/zip, because you want to be able to get the zip image. Click on that, open up the latest folder here. You want to download the .zip for that latest release. We'll give that a second to download. Once that's done, we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so obviously in order to create a bootable USB, you need a USB stick. This is kind of obvious. Nonetheless, make sure you have one that's large enough to fit this. I don't think you're going to need a lot of space. So as long as you have a 4 gig, 8 gig drive, you'll be fine. You'll want to format it for FAT32. I'm not going to show you how to do that here, but assuming that you have a Windows machine that you can right click on it, format the drive. Again, you want to make sure it's a FAT32 partition. Once that is done, you'll be where we're at here. We're going to basically copy the contents of the zip file to the root of the newly formatted USB stick. We'll give that a second to copy over. We're going to go with the manual setup of this USB stick. So in the utils directory and then Win32. We're looking for the make boot batch file here. We're going to right click on it and run as administrator. It'll come up with some instructions on the command prompt. Just follow those until you complete the installation. Once that's done, we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so now we are going to attempt to boot into GParted with that USB stick. Basically, for me anyway, you can just kind of go through the default settings. You shouldn't necessarily have to change anything unless you want to change the language or keyboard settings. It'll go through and ask a couple of different questions. Like I said, for the most part, you should be able to use the default. And then, of course, it'll come straight up into GParted. At this point, you're in the system and we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so resizing the partition is pretty simple here. As you can see, we have the drive listed there at the top. /dev/sda2 is my drive. It's currently 20 gig. And then I have unallocated space right next to it, which is also 20 gigs. So basically I'm doubling the size of my partition. We'll select the partition here and then click on the resize button there at the top. And as you can see, you can also move the partition around if you don't want it right there at the front and you just wanted to move it to a different area of the partition or maybe split up that unallocated space. You certainly can do that here as well. But we just want to expand our partition to be the full size of unallocated space. Once you have got it to the size that you want it, go ahead and hit resize/move. And then you're going to hit that green check at the top there to complete the resize. Once it's done, you can go ahead and hit close, and then of course exit out of GParted and reboot the system into your regular partition. You're done. Let's go ahead and move on to that last step, and we'll just go ahead and show you what that looks like. Alright, so as you can see here, I have SSH'd into the machine that I just resized the drive on. We'll do a df-lh to view all of the partitions that are configured on the system. And there is /dev/sdb2. It is 40 gig. That's the drive. So we basically resized it from 20 gig to 40 gig. So we are good to go. Our Ubuntu operating system currently sees the drive and the partition that it should be. That's all we have to do. This will work for any other operating system as well, so as long as you get it resized using GParted, once you boot back into your regular partition, it should show up correctly. Again, that's the end of the video, guys. Let's do a quick run through everything we covered in this video. So of course, for starters, we downloaded the latest version of GParted live CD. Once we did that, we created our bootable USB. Once we did that, we booted into GParted. After that, of course, we walked through resizing the partition, and then lastly, I just kind of confirmed that the size of the partition did get updated in the regular operating system. Again, that's the end of the video, guys. I want to thank everybody that has donated to my Buy Me a Coffee link. Every little bit helps. If you haven't had a chance to, check out my Teespring merchandise page for all of your Burns home automation merchandise. As always, if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comments below. If there are any videos out there that you would like to see that I don't already have out there, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll see if I can't get something put together for you guys. Otherwise, I'll see you guys around. Thanks!